See where the hooks go? Alright. That's easy enough to see right there. Alright, I'm going to release it, raise it back up. They go in, you see where the hooks go. Alright, now I'm going to turn the light off. There's no way those hooks will grab that harness if that harness has not been, if that harness is in its factory position. The only way the hooks can grab it is if somebody's been messing with that harness and they've cut this wrap tie, and this wrap tie. There's a hook on it. There's a place for a hook here and a place for a hook here. The harness is way back here and the hook latches right here. There's no way that hook is going to hook and grab that harness if it's in place. It's impossible. You can see how it's made. It's not a design flaw. It's a technician flaw that cuts the harness and moves it or lets it dangle, and it gets into position where then the hooks grab it. But no, it's not a grasshopper flaw at all. So I just wanted to clear that up. I mean, you see it. 329 grasshopper mid-mount. And there it is with the seat in place. And once again, I'll show you. Turn the light on. That's where the seat hooks. And you can see these. You can see the wrap ties, and the harness is behind the hooks by about 2 inches behind it. There's no way that hook is going to hook that harness. So, anyway,